We're Brad and Shyla. We've been living in our self-converted Ram ProMaster for nearly 2 years. We've decided to take on the challenge of driving our home across international borders. Even though it hasn't all been beaches and sunsets, it is truly an incredible experience we won't forget anytime soon. We're stuck, and Angel and Kay's are also stuck. We're just gonna go for it and update you guys. Like and subscribe to support our journey further into Mexico. Welcome to Trippin with Brad and Shyla.
Agua purificada.
Found water. Got the hose. It looks like Brad's made quite the mess.
Well, the pressure kind of goes fast and then slow, fast and slow, so it likes to spray out all over my feet.
Water? Check.
All the dogs are cuddling together. You know they got all the space. Oh, look who's awake.
We are on the beach in La Paz. It is a little warm. I think it's like almost 100 degrees. Dogs are just hanging out. I think the other ones are underneath the van somewhere. There's Sophia back there. I think Chief is right here. As you can see, he's already gotten in the water today. He did hurt his paw a little bit, just the sand rubbing on it made it a little raw, but we've been taking care of it. He hasn't been playing for the past few days, and we haven't let him in the water. So today was a treat because I let him in the water. It's doing a lot better though. It's almost healed. And we're just gonna hang out today. We're gonna hang out, enjoy. We've been kind of on the go. Our goal was to get down south. And we're here, so it's absolutely gorgeous. The water is so blue and it's clear. It feels amazing. The water feels good.
Wow, you're such a good swimmer. Wow. Alright, go back. Go back. You're such a good swimmer.
Looks like you're having a good time. Looks like Brad is having a good time way out there.
Perfect. Perfecto.
These dogs keep careless about the water. We're going to be leaving this spot because today we're actually going to be checking into a hotel. So Brad and I scheduled a few activities here in La Paz, and it is quite hot, so we feel bad leaving the dogs in the van for hours at a time without us. So by getting a hotel this way, they are safe in an air-conditioned room. I think they'll enjoy it just as much as us. Plus, it would be nice to get in a hot tub maybe. So we'll see how that goes. Got to clean the van, do some errands. So we'll see where the day takes us. I think our check-in is at 3 p.m. And yeah, pretty exciting stuff. Our caravan group that we were with, Angel, Case, and Josiah, they're in Mulegè right now. I think they're gonna try and get to La Paz in the next few days. Seems like we always kind of miss them by a day, but Brad and I are on a little more of a time schedule than they are, since we're not gonna be in Baja for as long as they plan to be. It's awesome being on the beach and experiencing all the culture. Everyone has been really friendly here. Right after we pulled into our spot, a family pulled in right next to us. As you can see, they're pretty snuggled next to us, but they're so nice. They're super respectful. They were asking us questions. They even complimented the van, so it's been so awesome. I think a lot of people that we talked to had one of two opinions. Either it's very dangerous and scary here, or it's gonna be lovely and we'll enjoy it. So I think, obviously, you know, keep your common sense with you. But it's been a really great time. La Paz is actually, I think that right behind me, all right here across the bay, I think that's the city of La Paz. So that'll be pretty interesting to see. There is a Walmart here, which we're pretty excited about. Brad does need some water shoes, and I would like to get some bones for Chief. I don't know what he's doing. He likes to pick up rocks. Or a stick, maybe? Chief, what are you doing?
Made it.
Oh my gosh. No rules.
Okay.
We made it to the hotel, and after a little snafu with our reservation, we're finally in the room. So the check-in time was 3 p.m., which Brad and I thought wouldn't be a problem, but we ended up getting done with all of our errands by 10 a.m. And so we just hung around the town of La Paz until 3 p.m. And then when we got here and checked in, our room wasn't ready. Luckily, they were very nice and they brought all of our luggage up for us. I'm just excited for a nice hot shower and our room. This is the view, so you can't beat that. Brad and I decided that we're gonna treat ourselves the next few days, so I'm excited. But first things first, I really wanna take a shower. You get your jetted tub, which was a huge selling point for me. Bathroom, shower. Looks like we have wardrobes, mini fridge, TV, king size bed, Brad, little sitting area, and our balcony. We're doing something really exciting. We are
Swimming with whales. Whale sharks, to be exact.
Yeah, to be exact. It's gonna be really fun. We just got geared up.
Got the wetsuits on, feel like sausages.
Also, I'm really scared because open water is like one of my biggest fears. But we'll get through it.
We heard they grew up to the size of a school bus.
Which is crazy.
Massive.
Yeah. We have a great tour guide, Sophia. And I'm with you. Okay, so we're not swimming in open water. It's going to be in the bay, but still deep water nonetheless. La Paz is one of the few destinations in the world regularly visited by whale sharks. The largest fish on the planet, whale sharks reach over 60 feet long and weigh up to over 20 tons. Despite their size, they are known as gentle giants. The whale sharks we got to swim next to on this tour were around 25 feet long since they were adolescent whale sharks. Some facts that we thought were interesting are they can live up to 100 years old, they have no teeth, and they are an endangered species. So you can't see them, but there is a whale shark right over there feeding. And we just dove it. Scuba dived. Or not scuba dived, snorkeled. It was crazy. We were so close to him. It was wild.
It's like you can touch it, but you're not supposed to.
Yeah. He's feeding right now. He's huge. He's about like 25 feet long. It was the scariest thing of my life.
I wasn't nearly as scared as Shyla was, but that was cool. You swim up to it and it kind of disappears, and then you pop your head up and everyone's like 30 feet away following it.
I'm not such a great swimmer when I'm nervous, but it was fun. Brad's so close to him. Holy moly. Oh, oh, Brad.
That was awesome. It was so big.
What was your favorite, the first, second, or third time?
Probably the third time. Number one, we got to see it kind of like going straight up, collecting the plankton. Second time, I was just playing catch up. And third time, I got to swim along with it, and it was so awesome. So tight. So glad we did this.
I sat out the last few times because I'm a little scared of the water. But I did it one time. That was good. Well, we're live.
That was incredible. If you get the chance, Tuna Tours is the only one we can recommend because that's who we went with. Sophia was amazing, and I think his name was Carlos, the captain. They're both fantastic.
Yeah,
it was such a cool experience.
Such a cool experience. Now we're gonna walk back to the van and hope that it's there.
Hope that all of our stuff is still inside of it, and hopefully the guy that was washing next to it didn't wash our van because we have no more pesos. We are out.